Hey guys, it's Jacqueline from Functional Health. Just want to take you guys through a few ways to release your headache tension. Now this pain that we can feel in our heads often actually comes from the muscles, joints and nerves around the base of our skull and the top of our neck, and also the muscles, joints and nerves in our mid-back and around our shoulder blades. So I'm just going to first of all warm up these muscle groups, and then we'll take you through some release techniques. So to start off with, we'll go through the range of motion. So we're starting with flexion and extension. We'll go to the right, rotation and lift. And then lateral bending, keeping the shoulders relaxed. And finally, we're doing protractions of pointing your chin away from your body, and retraction, tucking your chin in for a nice double chin. So repeat each of those movements about 5 times to be nice and warm. So to do the releases, we're going to need a few things. So here I've taped 2 tennis balls together and 1 tennis ball in a sock. The first release we're going to do is for our mid-back, so you're going to need the sock and the tennis ball. So you're just going to drop the tennis ball over the back here, just between the spine and the shoulder blade. So find a wall, something you can lean up against. Have your feet slightly away from the wall, and then just bend your knees and work the ball along from the spine across to just beside the shoulder blade. So you should be able to feel that there are some points that are more tender than others. Just hold that on there for about 10 to 20 seconds. Take some deep breaths. Move your neck around just to increase the stretch. And then move up a little bit higher. You can reposition the ball. Take pressure again. Just release the tension off that upper shoulder blade too. Make sure you do both sides so that you're nice and balanced. Our second release is for just the base of the skull. So we're going to use these tennis balls. Pop them on the mat, lying down on your back. So you just want to feel your skull here all the way down until it becomes the soft muscles of the neck. And we're going to put this just on the very lowest part of the skull. Beautiful. We're going to use this arm to hold it in place. And then we're going to roll our chin up and down. You'll feel the pressure on the base of the skull as it presses on where the muscle attaches there. So just rolling it out. You adjust your pressure for your comfort. The last release we're going to do is also for those muscles just underneath the skull. So we're going to use our hands, we're going to place them gently, so feeling down from the skull into the softness of the neck just there. So taking that pressure, we're going to bring our heads back and then gently pull our fingers around the base of the neck as we move forward. Good. So to show you from the front, we're going to put our hands just under the skull as we move our head down towards our chest. We're going to gently let our fingers draw apart. So after doing that, you should feel a nice looseness around the base of your head. Your head should feel a lot lighter than it did before, and your shoulders more relaxed. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, just pop them below or message us. We'd love to support you during this time. Also join into our group because we post a lot more videos like this there. So you take care and have a great day.